Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the latest and greatest in consumer goods. Today, we're diving into what we believe is the best TV mount for your 55-inch TV, the Mounting Dream All-Listed TV Mount. Stick around as we explore why this product stands out from the rest. Now, before we get into the nitty-gritty details, let's talk about why you need a reliable TV mount like this one. Whether you're binge-watching your favorite shows or hosting a movie night with friends, having your TV securely mounted not only enhances your viewing experience but also adds a touch of elegance to your living space. So, what makes the Mounting Dream All-Listed TV mount the best choice for your 55-inch TV? Let's find out. First up, let's talk about the features and specifications that set this TV mount apart from the competition. With a weight capacity of 132 pounds and compatibility with most 37 to 75-inch TVs, including those with a max VISA of 600 by 400 mm, you can trust that your TV will be securely held in place. Plus, with its low-profile design, this mount sits just 1.5 inches from the wall, giving your TV a sleek and modern look while also saving valuable space in your room. And with the ability to tilt your TV up to 8 degrees, you can reduce glare and achieve the perfect viewing angle every time. Now, let's talk about installation. One of the standout features of the Mounting Dream All-Listed TV mount is how easy it is to install. With clear instructions and a simple 3-step process, you'll have your TV mounted in no time. And if you run into any issues, Mounting Dream's US-based customer service team is there to assist you every step of the way. Whether you're mounting your TV on wood studs or concrete walls, this mount has you covered. And with the included hardware pack and bubble level, you'll have everything you need to ensure a seamless installation. But don't just take our word for it. Let's hear from some satisfied customers who have experienced the Mounting Dream difference firsthand. Customers rave about the sturdiness, ease of installation, and overall quality of this TV mount. From DIY enthusiasts to first-time installers, everyone agrees that the Mounting Dream All-Listed TV mount is a winner. So, there you have it, folks. If you're in the market for the best TV mount for your 55-inch TV, look no further than the Mounting Dream All-Listed TV mount. With its impressive features, easy installation, and rave reviews from satisfied customers, it's the perfect choice to elevate your TV viewing experience. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth product reviews and recommendations. Until next time, happy mounting!